Welcome everyone to another OBDSync tutorial. Today we're going to be going through how to remove the theft active fault code or the security lockout warning on the VE Series 1 radio screen. To proceed, we're going to click on vehicle, then click on radio. We're going to allow that to load up. If you haven't licensed your radio already, you'll have the option to license it here. Once we've licensed, we'll then proceed through to our next menu. Here we'll see we have configuration, flashing, learn functions, and DTCs. We're going to go ahead and click on the learn functions, and then we're going to go to the VIN security link button. Once this action's completed, it will take a few seconds, and then you'll see your radio will reboot and show the boot logo, and that's it completed. It's all security linked and ready to go. After that, you can go to the configuration screen. There's a bunch of settings you can change to suit your vehicle if it was from the wrong car and needs different speakers, or even to change the text color from blue to red or whatever you need. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.